Hey students, a very good morning to all of you. So students, this video is in continuation of your previous one. Okay, as you know that in our second video we are doing our second subject, which is maths as well as Hindi, right? So today we are doing our mathematics subject, which is there on screen. So you all have to bring out your maths book, which is there on screen. Along with it, you have to carry your maths notebook where you do the recap session. Okay, so hurry up, go and bring out your maths book. Along with it, a maths notebook plus a sharp pencil and eraser. I am waiting for you. Then we will start our session. As you know that we had covered our tier 1 in our mathematics subject as well. So from now onwards we are revising our previous concept which I taught you till now. Okay, so I hope so that you all have bring out your maths notebook. So students, open a fresh page in your maths notebook. ओके, आपकी जो मैथ्स नोटबुक है जहाँ पर आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो, रिवीजन टास्क परफॉर्म करते हो, वहाँ पर यू हैव टू ओपन अ वेरी फ्रेश पेज एंड देन on top you have to mark the date. Okay, write the date on top and then parents, please put the caption on the top in the middle of the sheet. You have to write forward counting. So students, today we will do the recap of forward counting. One of the concept is the forward counting you have to do today, and one more concept I will uh, introduce you today, right? So first of all, you have to give a caption of forward counting in your fresh page 1 to 50. Okay, this task you have to perform today. You have to write forward counting 1 to 50 in your notebook. That is your today homework. Okay, and now we will come towards the next concept which we will do today is greater than and less than. Okay, today also we are revising two concepts. One is the forward counting and the second one is greater than and less than. Both of the concepts are very easy. Okay, so आज आप two concept को revise करोगे. Fine. So again, this is the concept of greater than less than. We did it earlier as well. Greater than means more, less than means come, right? So यहाँ पर if you see the screen, there are few shapes given to you, right? Two sides are there. One there is more and one there is less. So what you have to do, you have to count them and then you have to recall that which side is greater and which side is lesser. Okay, if you want to create this worksheet, I'm giving you some time. Till then you will create this kind of worksheet in your sheet, math sheet. You have to take a fresh page and then on top again you have to mention the date and then caption also greater than less than. You can also use the symbol. आप symbol भी write down कर सकते हो in a fresh page. Okay, it's up to you. See, now we will see the worksheet. Worksheet में क्या है? You are able to see that there are few shapes given to you. तो आपने भी क्या करना है? आपकी जो मैथ्स की नोटबुक है वहाँ पे one side you have to make one circle and on other side you have to make two circles. Okay. Now come on the next line. Okay, or give some space and come on the 3/4 lines. So in that you have to draw one side. You have to make six squares and one sided you have to make 1 2 3 4 5 squares. Okay, you have to make the partition left hand side and right hand side. Okay, again you have to give space of 3 to 4 lines and then draw the square, 4 square on one side and 3 square on the another side. Okay, in this way you have to create this kind of worksheet at your home and all the shapes I'll introduce you. इससे क्या होगा, एक तो आपकी ग्रेटर देन लेस देन कंसेप्ट का रिवीजन होगा, प्लस along with it you also revising the concept of shapes, right? जितनी भी shapes इसमें draw है, you all did practice of those shapes and I'll introduce you these shapes previously, right? So you all have to make this kind of worksheet at your home and then I will tell you what we have to, how we have to cover this worksheet. Okay, students. So now I'm going to tell you that how we can do this worksheet at our home. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आपको अपनी नोटबुक में आपको डिवाइड कर लेना है पोर्शन, ठीक है, विद द स्केल और विद समथिंग, राइट. आपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड शेप्स बनानी है एंड right hand shapes banani hai. One sided you have to make more shapes and one sided you have to make less shapes. Then what is written over here, count and circle the greater one. तो आपने क्या करना है, आपने शेप्स को वन साइडेड आपने काउंट करी. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग माय पेंसिल, आई विल टेल यू हाउ यू हैव टू डू. सी, दिस इज one side, right? So this side you have to count how many circles are there. There are one circle, so you have to put one over here. Okay, and there is one, two, there is two circle, right? आपने काउंट कर दिया. द फर्स्ट टास्क यू कंप्लीट, काउंट हो गया. नाउ अब आपको क्या करना है, सर्कल करना है द ग्रेटर वन, विच इज द ग्रेटर वन. दिस वन इज द ग्रेटर वन. सो ग्रेटर देन साइन किस साइड होगा, वेयर द crocodile mouth is open. Is this open? No. Which one is more? This one, this side is more. There is two circles. So this one is the right symbol, the symbol of greater one, है ना. तो आप greater one symbol always mouth उधर open रखोगे where there is more one. Okay, now again we will do one more and rest of you have to do. Okay, I will wait for you. Wait. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many squares are there? There are 6 squares. How many? 6. Students, my pencil is not flexible, okay? So maybe there is formation not good. Okay, now see. In this side, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 squares are there. Okay, so tell me which one is more? Which one is more? Tell me, tell me. Ma'am? This one. Which one? Ma'am, this side. Yes, this one is more. So, see, where is the greater than sign? Where is the open mouth? This one, the first one. ठीक है, इससे आपको क्या होगा, आपको symbols की भी पहचान होगी. ठीक है, so you have to put the circle on the greater than sign. This one is the greater than sign. इससे आप differentiate कर पाओगे that which is the sign of greater one, जहाँ पर mouth open होता है. And this one, if you see this sign, यहाँ पर क्या है, the mouth is closed. So this one is the sign of less than, right? Okay. Now along, similar like this, you have to do along these parts, right? So I am waiting for you all. Till then you will draw these shape in your notebook. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, one sided you have to make 4 squares, next side you have to make 3 squares. Leave some space of 4 to 5 lines, then make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles on one side and 8 circles on another side. Okay, आपने ऐसे ही करना है that one sided you will draw more and one sided you will draw less. You can also do like one sided you draw 5 and one sided you draw again 5. So that is the same quantity, right? So what you have to do, you have to put the sign of equal to. जब दोनों sided there are the same objects, है ना, quantity दोनों की अगर same है, that is also 5, that is also 5. So which sign came over the equal to sign? Okay, so in this way you can prepare a simple kind of worksheet with any shape. आप कोई भी शेप पिक कर सकते हो. इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट यू हैव टू पिक द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ शेप. अगर आपको स्टार शेप ड्रॉ करनी है तो आप सारे जितने भी यहाँ पर पार्ट्स है, यू कैन ड्रॉ विद द स्टार शेप. इफ यू वांट टू ड्रॉ सर्कल, सो यू कैन डू इट विद सर्कल. ओके, इट्स योर चॉइस. So I don't make the most easiest worksheet than this. This is the most easiest worksheet which I'll form for you. स्टूडेंट्स, आप भी घर पे इसी काइंड की सिंपल वर्कशीट्स के साथ ग्रेटर देन एंड लेस देन का कंसेप्ट घर में इजीली परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. ठीक है, व्हाई आई यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्कशीट, बिकॉज विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वर्कशीट योर कंसेप्ट ऑफ शेप्स इज ऑल्सो revised, right? So that's why I use this kind of worksheet. Okay, so आप किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ कर सकते हो. You can make some objects as well, like ball, bat, hut. You can also do that. Okay, otherwise you can do it with numbers. Fine. So that's it for your today maths work. You have to revise the concept of forward counting. Forward counting, you have to write in it in your notebook 1 to 50 forward counting, and then you have to revise the concept of greater than and less than along with it. Okay, that's it, students. Have a good day. Bye bye. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, bye bye.